we dive into the world of container gardening. Whether you're working with limited space, want to add greenery to your urban oasis, or simply love the versatility of potted plants, container gardening offers endless possibilities. With containers, you have the freedom to grow almost anything, from herbs and vegetables to flowers and ornamental plants. The key is selecting the right container for your plant's needs. Container size, material, and drainage of your containers. Consider the size, material, and drainage of your containers. Larger pots provide more space for root growth, while porous material like terracotta allow for better airflow. And don't forget adequate drainage holes to prevent waterlogged soils. Next, take stock soil. Opt for a high quality potting mix specially formulated for container gardening. These mixes provide excellent drainage and aeration, crucial for healthy root development. And remember to fertilize regularly to replenish nutrients. Now, onto planting. Gently loosen the roots of your plants before placing it into the container, ensuring it's at its same depth as it was in its original pot. Fill in with soil, gently ferment around the plant, and water thoroughly. Join us for part two as we continue our journey in soil.